Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best welders for beginners. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing, and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, BESTMIG 135A MIG Welder. Ready to upgrade your welding game instantly? Imagine tackling any metal project right in your garage. Meet the BESTMIG 135A, a powerful 3-in-1 welding machine. Switch between MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding effortlessly. Weld up to 1/8 inch thick, stainless, carbon steel, and more. No experience? No problem. Digital controls adjust settings automatically. Just load the wire, connect the gun, and plug in. So simple. Forget complicated gas setups. Gasless flux core for easy start. Full color LED display shows real-time welding parameters. Integrated wire feeding tech means cleaner, smoother welds. Comes complete: helmet, gloves, ground clamp, and welding gun. Auto darkening helmet converts to goggles for extra safety. Perfect for DIYers, beginners, or workshop pros alike. Experience reliability, versatility, and pro-level results. Take your welding projects to the next level today. Get the BESTMIG 135A. Weld smarter, safer, and better. Number 4. Meet the MJUM MIG Welder, your 3-in-1 metal melting sidekick. Weld thicker metals up to 5/16 inch, like slicing bread, MIG, stick, or TIG. This machine does all three, no drama. Dual voltage, 110V or 220V. Plug it in anywhere, garage, farm, or spaceship. Supports 0.030, 0.035, and 0.040 inch flux core wire. Pick your favorite flavor. User-friendly digital panel. No PhD required. Just twist and weld. Smart IGBT inverter tech. Fewer errors, smoother welds, less hair pulling. Works with E70 E6013, J422 electrodes, like a universal remote for welding. Weighs under 13 lbs, lighter than your neighbor's cat. Carry it by handle or shoulder strap. Weld on the go, superhero style. Built tough, guards against overload, overheating, and voltage spikes. 60% duty cycle, keeps working longer than your morning coffee. Complete kit: torch, wires, electrodes, mask, no extra shopping trips. Ideal for DIYers, beginners, or pros. Everyone's invited to the weld party. MJUM MIG Welder, compact, clever, and ready to spark your projects. Number 3, YESWELDER 135A MIG Welder. Want pro-level welding at home? Meet the YESWELDER Flux 135 Pro. Imagine repairing fences, fabricating art, or tackling auto projects. This 3-in-1 welder handles MIG, stick, and lift TIG processes. No shielding gas needed, just plug in and start welding. 135 amp output welds, mild steel up to 2 to 5 is thick. Adjustable hot start and arc force boost stick welding performance. Wire feed speed is fully customizable for every project. Voltage automatically matches your settings. Fine-tuned for perfection. Large LED digital display gives you real-time current feedback. Monitor and control every weld with precision and ease. Weighs just 11.4 lbs. Take it anywhere, anytime. Comes with bonus E71 TG's 30-ounce flux core wire, ready to use. All position welding, single or multi-pass, no hassle. Safety first, automatic voltage, overcurrent, and overheat protection. Upgrade your workshop, enjoy pro features without the pro price. Grab your YESWELDER Flux 135 Pro today and weld with confidence. Number 2, ARCCAPTAIN 160A MIG Welder. Tired of switching between welding machines for every project? Imagine fixing your fence, car, or equipment using just one tool. Meet the ARCCAPTAIN 160A MIG Welder, your 4-in-1 welding solution. Gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA stick. One machine, endless options. Perfect for carbon steel, stainless, or even thicker metals. Seamlessly handle home DIY, outdoor repairs, or farm maintenance. Beginners, rejoice! Synergic control sets current and wire speed automatically. Just select your wire diameter, 30 for you or 40 inches. No guesswork, no frustration, just smooth professional welds. Weighs only 11.8 pounds. Carry it by handle or shoulder strap. Take it to any job site, garage, or backyard with ease. Built-in safety, overcurrent, overload, overheat, and overvoltage protection. Every unit rigorously tested for durability in harsh conditions. Upgrade your welding game. Reliable, versatile, and easy to use. Start your next project with confidence. Grab your ARCCAPTAIN today. Number 1. Meet the ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder, 6 tools in 1 machine. Perfect for pros, DIYers, and industrial projects. Switch between gas MIG, flux core, stick, TIG, spot, spool gun. Handles steel, stainless, and aluminum with ease. Digital controls auto-match current and wire speed. Customize settings for your unique welding style. Store 10 presets per mode. Jump into jobs faster. Large LED display. Read data without lifting your helmet. Adaptive crater. Burn back pre-post flow boost efficiency. 2 to 4T trigger modes fit every welding scenario. Smart cooling fan. Quiet and efficient operation. Lab tested safety. VRD, overload, and overheating protection. Portable design. Carry it anywhere, anytime. Transform your workflow with ARCCAPTAIN's power and precision. Upgrade now. Experience next level welding. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.